So in this moment, once we get ready to journey back to the Gold Coast, we're here at Lichfield National Park, just literally waiting because the car needs to be serviced before we head anywhere. And cannot get serviced till tomorrow, Thursday. I'm just spending time, seeing some cool waterfalls, seeing cool national parks, going to some springs. Literally just chill out time, going to meet some friends later out tonight, and literally just having a good time at the moment. Some amazing waterfalls, amazing nature, baby. You know how we like the nature, you know how we enjoy that. So that's the plan for today. Anyway guys, follow me along. So yesterday I was an absolute moron and I could have flown the drone in Lichfield National Park, but because I bought a new phone I didn't have the app to fly the drone, and because here as soon as you leave any civilization you lose signal, so I couldn't download the app, so I couldn't get any drone footage. So I do apologize for that. So all the footage you got is just what I got from this camera and the GoPro. But now I just want to go for a final workout. This is amazing calisthenics park, like 20-minute ride. So here in Darwin they have these things called like Neuron. It's like Voi in Bristol if you're from Bristol, or Lime if you're from other parts of Europe. I've seen that as well. And there's little scooters here, that same thing. They come with a helmet. So we are going to scooter about. Oh my god.
Hello, to start riding, please download the Neuron app.
Oh, where you going? Where you going? 15. Don't know what this is telling me. It's beeping and it's doing stuff and I don't know what it is. Oh, toggle speed. What's this do? Oh, this can go faster. I didn't know they have speed modes. Now we're talking. Although it's losing power. It is losing power. We are slowing down up the hill. Pump it, pump it. High speed mode engage. Let's go. Even high speed does 15. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Right, so we finished a little ride with the Neuron network. It sounds like a cryptocurrency. Finish a ride with them. Now we're just going for a little walk now. I'll get to Cachimiro Park, show you this, do a quick workout. Need to head back to get my hair cut. Need to go so nice and polish, because tomorrow morning, 6 in the morning, heading off to the Gold Coast. Long journey through Australia, back again. Used to a trip to Katherine. Now we're going the way back. And it was all because, well, find a better job, better opportunity, better videos for you guys, everything. But I also got kicked out of the place that I was staying at. Just had some issues. And I'm not going to talk about it because I don't want to bring negative to this channel, because it's not about negativity, think about the positives. So I left a place that I was not very happy with to go to an even better place that I am very happy to go to. Be surf beaches, mountain, more wildlife, rainforest. You know how deep I am connected to the rainforest. So you know that's one of the things that I'm really looking forward to go to. But at the moment just here in Darwin, waiting for car is serviced. Hopefully the car tour will be done. It's so good, we get a thumbs up and we can head off to the Gold Coast, baby. So just had a call from the mechanics and the car being serviced, and the car has way more issues than I thought it would. It has some problems with the turbo. I don't really understand it. I'm a mechanic, I'm shit with mechanics. It has some cooling pump, the air vent is screwed, the tires need replacing, the tread is like gone. I need a haircut. No, it's not mechanic. They said it's gonna cost everything with the tires and everything. So it's like $1,800, which is around 1,000 British pounds. So pretty much it's way more expensive than I thought it was going to be. And staying here in Darwin is not cheap either. The cheapest room I could find was $300 a night. So because I got kicked out a bit earlier than I wanted from the place, I mean, I had to stay from Monday to Friday. So that's over $1,000. Stay here just to put in comparison. When I'm going to the Gold Coast, you can stay in a much nicer hotel, much nicer place for $150. So it's double the price for something not like luxurious, as you want to call it. So that means that we are now even shorter cash than we wanted to. So all the money we've been saving up on all the work hard is just being absolutely burnt like mad. We cannot let ourselves put ourselves down when stuff goes wrong, or it's a bit more than we expected. If we only focus on the negative, we will always have a negative outcome. We need to acknowledge the negative, acknowledge it's there, always find a positive out of it, and always find a thing. So you might be thinking, oh, but what's there positive? Your car just broke down, it's cost a lot of money. Well, now the positive is, when it's fixed, we have actually a car that's in way better condition than one we had before. And I know it's not going to break down driving down. That's a positive. I don't want to break down in the Outback. You seen the first video trip to Katherine? Yeah, roads are nothing. I didn't want to break down there. So now I have a car that's fixed, that will get me there. And I know it will hold on and I don't have to replace those same bits again. Boom, positive, turn negative into positive. That's how we succeed in life. I'm learning that person myself. But that's the way, baby. That's our way.